Welcome to Dad Bod Fit, a series where you and I are gonna get fit together. Whether you're actually in shape or you have a beer gut and you don't feel like you're in shape, let me tell you something. Round is a shape. Now, you don't have to be a dad to follow my Dad Bod Fit videos. You could be somebody who just wants to get started working out, somebody who wants to work out on a regular basis, or you could be somebody that's in shape looking for some tips. And if you go up there and you try and work out, you're doing better than everybody who's not trying at all. Today's episode, how to do more push-ups. Now, ideally, good push-up form is arms about shoulder width apart, and you come down and you go close to the ground and you go up. And if you're good, you do it quickly and you can push out a lot of push-ups. But what if you can't actually do a push-up? Don't laugh. Some people haven't done push-ups in years, they have trouble. If you struggle doing a regular push-up, just start on your knees. Don't laugh at it. You want to get your body used to doing push-up form. Get your hands still shoulder width apart. You can go ahead, cross your knees if you want to. You don't have to. And then just practice letting your body pivot on your knees as you go down and come up. You want to get your body used to doing the push-up motion. All right. Ideally, you're not going to do this on concrete. Do it on grass, do it on carpet. Now, if you start and you're struggling on the floor, the first step is you can actually come here and do wall push-ups. It's a great way to get started. Just start with your legs up to the wall and start going in and out, arm length distance. And then as you get better, you can move your legs farther, put your hands down, and you go in and you go out. You get used to the arm motion, going in and going out. Once you go down farther on the wall, now you can use a sturdy table and just do some reps on the table. You don't have to do too many, but just get used to that method. If you can, ideally, you want to keep your elbows as close to your body as possible. But if you have problems, go ahead and spread them out. You work different muscle groups. And then at some point, you can go down on a chair. Ideally, you go closer and closer to the ground. But Lance, you say, I'm already doing my push-ups on the ground. How can I get more push-up reps? Start by doing your normal push-ups. And ideally, you want to do as many as you can. Let's say you do 10, 20, or 30, or even 7. Pump out as many push-ups as you can, and then drop to your knees. And then go for as many push-ups as you can. And do that multiple times a day. Do it once every 3 to 4 hours, once in the morning, once at night. And after multiple days, you'll start pumping out more push-ups. You have 2 other options to help you increase your body strength as you're doing push-ups. The first option is add on 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds on you. Don't do a lot. You just need a little bit more to help your arms work out more. A second option is start 1 week with a certain number of push-ups, and the next week add in an extra push-up or 2 or 5, and you gradually increase the number of push-ups you do day in and day out. Now, if you've been following me on my channel, I've been doing push-ups and planks every single day. Every week, I increase it by 1 extra push-up. Every month, I add another push-up, and every day, I increase my plank time. So if I could do it after not doing push-ups regularly on an everyday basis, you can do it too. If you found this video helpful, if you're gonna use it as a way to increase the number of push-ups you're gonna do day in and day out, go like, comment, sub. Stick around. I'm going to be making more of these types of videos and come back for another Dad Fit video sometime in the near future.